Alright, we're back. So we painted the wall there behind the tank. Now we're gonna go ahead and get our tank here. So this kind of tank, you can see here, there's no holes going through the tank except for the one for the water and one for the water and one for the the water to come out of, water to go into. So that's one thing about Kohler tanks. So when you go to secure the tank to the bottom, you want to put the screws that come with it into those little brackets there. So okay, so I have this bracket here, so you just put it here and it fits right in there like that. And then do the other one. And then we just go ahead and plug those in, lift up the tank, turn around, because this toilet was, I don't know, opened when I bought it at the big box store, and some of the stuff was missing. I'm going to look at my other Kohler toilet, which has this brackets, to make sure I'm not missing pieces. Like, do I need a washer or a rubber grommet to go between here and the toilet itself or whatnot. So I'm gonna go check my other toilet real quick and be right back.